Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming to watch this video on how to make this amazing Skittles popcorn. Before we get into it, you guys, we're doing a giveaway for this Nintendo Switch. Once we reach 200,000 subscribers, we're gonna give this away to somebody, so make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment on our video. Okay, here we go. Let's make some Skittles popcorn. But what do you guys think? Doesn't this look just so delicious? And it is, so make sure you guys try it and comment in the video and let me know what you think about it. And like I mentioned at the beginning of our video, we're going to be giving away this Nintendo Switch once we reach 200,000 subscribers. So make sure that you guys subscribe, like the video, and comment, and we will definitely comment back. Thanks again, everyone, and make sure you guys keep coming back to our channel to watch all of our candy-inspired videos. Thanks!